Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to do some ultimate magnet fishing, and I guess you could do some regular fishing at the same time. So the way that magnet fishing works is you need to unlock some magnets to start out with, the powerful fishing magnets. And where are those in the tech tree? Magnets. So at level 62, you can start making these magnets. They require hexalite, cryogenic coolant, and a bio battery. And then you can use these while you have a rod equipped. And then you can just run up to these floating salvage points out in the ocean. And then you can just hit F. Now the trick here is that while it's a pretty simple minigame, you actually have to be riding a swimming pal in order to make use of these. If you fly over to them on like a flying pal, they're just going to be like, nah, bro, you can't be doing that from a pal that functionally would work just fine for this. You have to be on a pal that swims. That's why I'm riding a gangler instead of my Eidrolon for this one. And the other thing that can help you out tremendously when you're out fishing is having a Jelliette and a Jellroy in your party, because Jellroy gives a bonus from going out and salvaging things out in the ocean, which is what I'm doing right now. And Jelliette gives you a bonus to your fishing. So the extra items that you get from both. Now, if I really wanted to be super fancy about this, I'd also condense both of them until they were maximum, because the party bonuses from their passives for both of them will increase if you have both of them condensed with a bunch of their same species ground up and put together inside of the essence condenser. But if you're just looking to like grab some Coralum really quickly, it's not entirely a bad idea just to throw Jellroy in your party and then run out and go get some extras. It's like 1 or 2 extra per salvage, so it's definitely worth it. And if you get them all the way to maximum with condensing, you can have like almost double the drops for whatever you're salvaging. And this is really my preferred way to get Coralum. You can also do things like catch and breed Whaleaska ignises to get Coralum, or just regular Whaleaska, but that takes a little while and requires other materials. I guess so does magnet fishing, but magnet fishing tends to be efficient enough that I've gotten so much Coralum that I've never really had to waste the time to go out and wait for breeding for Whaleaskas. The butchering part's really quick, because you can just go out and build a PAL disassembly conveyor belt, and they'll just butcher almost instantaneously, so you don't have to sit through the animation over and over and over again. But I'm here getting like 16 plus a pop, like 10 to 16, although one of those was just 4. But the further I get into higher level areas, the better the drop rate seems to be for Coralum. So if that's what you're here for, then good news. The closer into around Fabric Island and Sunreach that you go, the better you're going to get for salvage. And that's pretty much it. I mean, I'm getting quite a bit here. I've only been here for, what, a couple minutes out on the ocean. So it does not take long to really farm this stuff up en masse. Now, Jelliette's a little different. She's not like going to give you like double pals when you go pal fishing, but she will still give you bonuses to the items you get that the different pals drop while you're fishing. So whatever you would get in your inventory when you catch them, you'll get a bonus to all of that. It's not going to be a huge bonus, but it's enough of a bonus, unless you want to go out and catch some extras and condense them all down. This is also not a terrible way to go and get a bunch of extra PAL spheres. So if these are the level of PAL spheres that you're using, I'm a little bit further along, I'm at the end of the game, then this might also be super helpful for just general PAL catching, because you'll have a bonus load of spheres when you're done. And that's it. This is how you go out magnet fishing. You just need a rod. I want to say you probably want at least an intermediate rod. I don't know if it matters, though. I think you could what does it say if I do this? It doesn't say this is anything. It just says it's salvage. So you just need a fishing rod that's compatible with the magnets and the magnets in order to salvage. So yeah, that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been a brief look at salvaging and getting bonuses to fishing from having a Jellroy and a Jelliette in your party. There's also some other pals that you can get that give different bonuses to fishing that are definitely helpful when you get up to like master level fishing, because that kind of fishing is absolutely obnoxious, and I found it almost impossible to begin with. Well, I still think it's kind of like ridiculous, but it is what it is. So that's it for this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.